Good morning, Professor Sudhir Jain, and thanks a lot, sir, for giving your precious time to me today.
Good morning, Dr. Vijayan. What a pleasure to meet you and to learn a little bit about your very interesting journey. I'm delighted to meet somebody like you.
Okay, Professor Jain, I'm really honored, sir, to interact with you today, and I'll be interacting with you in your three capacities. I know you are academic administrator because after 35 long years of your service in IIT Kanpur, sir, you are the founding director of IIT Gandhinagar, where you are director for the third time, which is one of the rare thing which I've seen. At least I've seen that. So I'll be interacting with you in that capacity, sir. Second, I'll be interacting with you in the capacity of you being visionary, thinker, and researcher. So I'll be having some interaction points related to that. And third, Professor Jain, you are researcher, academician par excellence. You're a pioneer in the field of earthquake engineering. So I will be having some interaction points in that third capacity. So my entire interaction will be, sir, divided into these three parts. And I'm very sure, sir, largely my followers here are engineering students who are either in graduation or masters or doctorate, or they are faculty somewhere or researcher somewhere. So they will be getting benefited through this entire interaction. So if you give me permission, can we initiate now, sir? And we can, I can go with my first interaction point. Yeah. So my first point of interaction normally is related to the personality. So I have gone through your profile, sir, and you are graduate of Roorkee University, and then after that you have gone to California. You've done your masters and PhD from California Institute of Technology. We want you to tell us something about your journey, and it is rare that someone who spent so many years in premium institute like California Institute of Technology will come back to India and serve India. So we would like you to tell us about your journey, sir.
So, Dr. Vijayan, I am a product of India's basic educational system. I started my education from Uttarakhand, from a place called Rudraprayag.
Okay.
That is where I started my schooling. And then I went to Uttarkashi, that is where I did my class 3. My father was in UP government service, and he used to be transferred from place to place. So I went to very ordinary schools all my life.
Right.
I did maybe number of schools, 6, 7, 8 schools by the time I finished my 12th class because
Right.
of the transfers. I was a hardcore Hindi medium, municipal school, government school kind of a person. And after my 12th, I had to learn English terms of physics, math, and chemistry to appear in JEE exam, because at that time, JEE had only English paper and you had to only write in English. There was no Hindi translation given. So between my 12th class and JEE exam, there was 10 days gap, and that 10 days I utilized to mug up what does focus mean, what does lens mean, what does wavelength mean in Hindi, and vice versa.
Right, sir.
Because all my education was in Hindi medium. So I appeared in IIT exam, I appeared in Roorkee exam, and I was very, very surprised that I had a very good rank in IIT JEE. I had 2-digit rank, 69 rank all India.
Okay, great.
And in Roorkee, I had a 2nd rank.
Okay.
At the time, Roorkee was 4 years and IIT was 5 years.
Okay.
And for various reasons, I ended up deciding to go to Roorkee.
Okay.
And I went there with a very clear mind that I will be a teacher of structural engineering.
Okay.
So at the age of 16, when I went to Roorkee, I knew that I wanted to do professorship in structural engineering. That is what was clear at 16 years age.
Okay.
So during the 4 years, that was very clear. I had to do higher studies and I had to become teacher at Roorkee. At that time, Roorkee was my universe. And I was very, very, very deeply affected by Roorkee. My father had gone to Roorkee. My uncles had gone to Roorkee. So I was very deeply committed to come back to teach at Roorkee. And therefore, government job, corporate job, company job, all those were never an option for me. It was in a matter of accident that I ended up getting a scholarship to go to California Institute of Technology.
Okay.
I had not given my GRE exam. I had not given my TOEFL exam because in Roorkee there was not enough culture at the time to apply for foreign universities. We didn't know how to apply, how to do these things. So it was a matter of accident that I got opportunity to go there. And during my 4 years of study, there was never a doubt in my mind that I'm here to only study and to go back to India. And therefore, sitting in United States, finishing my PhD, I applied to many places in India, including Roorkee. But I was also a very conservative structural engineer who works with safety margin. If this doesn't work, the building should not collapse, that kind of thinking. So I also applied to IITs and to other institutions.
Right.
And I came back from United States thinking I'm going to join Roorkee.
Okay.
And in fact, I went to Roorkee with the intention to join, but things happened, and then I ended up joining at Kanpur IIT.
Right.
That is how it happened. And Kanpur, I stayed for 25 years before I moved to Ahmedabad as a director. Then Kanpur gave me leave, deputation as it is called, to be in this position. So for 10 years, I was here director, while I was also holding my job at Kanpur. So that is how 25 years plus 10 years, 35 years. That's how it is.
Right, sir.
And then after 10 years, when my term got over, I went back to join Kanpur and joined Kanpur. But then I was given another term, third term. And then I felt that I should take formal retirement from Kanpur. It is no point in holding that position there.
Right.
So now that is how my journey has been.
Okay.